Hey, how you doing, folks? This is Ozzy again with the video. Today is about headlight. Some people use, I see online, so many people use so many stuff. I'm talking about toothpaste. I'm talking about oil. I'm talking about anything that you can think. You know, anything that you put in there will make this thing shine. But guess what? It won't last. As soon as the water heats or the sun, it all fade away. Eventually, you know, go. After some time, it gonna look like even worse than before. So don't waste your time. So what I do is this: I I use a little bit of water. I do wet sand, and I use uh, 1,000 because this one was really bad. But normally I use 1,500. Okay, and with a little bit of water. All right, I just poke some hole on the top and spray and just go over. All right, be careful with the with the body. You know, don't go over the paint. You know, just go in the corners. All right. Of course, rinse it out. All right, and I use glass cleaner. After you done the whole thing, use glass cleaner to wipe down. Take all the residue, you know, wipe down with the paper towel, okay? And then to go over on the corners. As soon as it's really dry, go with the tape around the edge, all right? And then use a newspaper. Just put a newspaper over, all right? And there you can see a little bit of shine already because this is wet. As soon as it's dry, it's gonna be, you see, right here, will fade away. You know, it's gonna be really dull. Okay, no shine at all. But this is perfect because we need to use the clear on top. So the only way to the clear stick on it, it has to be really, first of all, dry. All right, don't forget to mask the whole thing around. All right, and use a newspaper. So, all right, and this is the ending result on the other side. Look at that. You cannot even tell. All right. So I did the same thing. I just used the same paper over here, 1,000 with a little bit of water, dry, and I use paper towel with the glass cleaner to go over. All right. Put a tape around newspaper. Here you go. You cannot even tell. This is the used one. Looks like a brand new headlight. Right? You save a lot of money doing that. Right? I'm gonna do the same thing over on this side. All right. If you like the video, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. So this way I know you guys like it, so I can make more videos. All right. Thanks very much. Have a great day.